Electric screwdrivers are popular tools, so there are many choices available. Choosing between them without ever holding or using them can be difficult though. This is why I have gone over the various models that are currently available and compared them based on design and performance. Then, building on that, we'll show you 5 best electric screwdrivers of 2023. That way, you can make sure you're getting your money's worth. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. DeWalt DCF 610S2 Screwdriver. DeWalt is one of the most respected names in power tools, so it shouldn't be surprising to find their DCF 610S2 electric screwdriver has earned our premium choice recommendation. It's got more power than most of the others that we tested, measured at 160 unit watts out of power, to make sure you can keep working until the project is finished. This kit contains 2 batteries, allowing one to charge while the other is in use. On the downside, this tool is much larger and heavier than most of the other electric screwdrivers we tested. It weighs more than 2 pounds while most competitors weigh about a pound. It's also nearly the size of a drill or impact driver instead of a screwdriver, though it is well balanced and comfortable to use. We think the impressive power output and extra features make this one of the best electric screwdrivers on the market. Number 2. Makita DF12DSE 7.2V Hex Driver Drill Kit. In general, cordless electric screwdrivers that you can currently find on the market are not powerful enough to do drilling. The Makita DF12DSE is one of the exceptions to that rule. It is one of the few electric screwdrivers that can replace a power drill in more demanding applications. The DF12DSE comes with a powerful motor and battery combination and a 21-setting clutch that lets you pick the exact amount of torque that you need. To prevent overdriving screws, the clutch automatically disengages when the right amount of torque is reached. When you want to drill instead, you can simply set it to its dedicated drill mode. With this cordless screwdriver, you also get a carrying case, charger, and 2 batteries. This allows you to always keep a fully charged battery at hand, so you never have to interrupt your work to wait for a charge to complete. Number 3. Milwaukee Cordless Screwdriver. Milwaukee is yet another popular name in the market. Apart from drills, grinders, and hammers, they also have a great heavy-duty cordless screwdriver in their lineup. If you are looking for a heavy-duty screwdriver, then look no more. The Milwaukee 2401-20M12 is the perfect choice for you. With a reasonable price tag from a reputed brand, you have to definitely consider this option. It houses a 12V lithium-ion battery. The powerful motor in this screwdriver can provide up to 500 RPM of speed without any problem. Hence, you will be getting up to 175 pounds of torque from a screwdriver weighing merely 2 pounds. It is pretty lightweight due to its compact design. It is designed in such a way that it can easily fit into many tight spaces without any problem. There are 15 different positions available for you so that you can get the most comfortable fit. This can surely help to get the best control over the screwdriver. There is a 1/4-inch hex chuck available in the front. It is a quick change keyless chuck that will open and close pretty quickly, allowing you to change the bits in no time. You will be getting a long 5 years limited warranty on the screwdriver and 2-year warranty on the battery with Milwaukee 2401-20M12, which makes it one of the most reliable options from this list. Number 4. Skill Cordless Screwdriver. This is one of the budget-friendly options available from our list. The Skill Rechargeable 4V Cordless Screwdriver, as the name suggests, comes with a 4V rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It has a small capacity of just 1.5 amp hours. It also has a micro USB charging port if you wish to charge it via your laptop or USB power adapter. Coming to the motor, its no-load speed is 220 RPM and has a torque of 36 pounds. These numbers are very good considering its low price tag. It can be one of the best options for you if you want a daily driver for your any projects. As it is a very compact screwdriver, you can use it in the most compact and hard-to-reach places. It has an ergonomic design that gives you 2-finger trigger control with easy grip. It consists of a 1/4-inch hex drive that is pretty much standard in screwdrivers. You can store the extra bits right on the tool with the help of a magnetic bit storage. It is possible to use this screwdriver in both clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Also, there is a charging indicator on the front that also displays the remaining power. You will be getting a long 5-year limited warranty on the screwdriver and 2-year warranty on the battery, which is exceptional at this price point. In the kit, you get 9 screwdriver bits and the screwdriver can hold 1 bit on its body. Number 5. Stalwart Cordless Screwdriver. It comes with a huge 45-piece bit set that will cover almost every single application easily. You will get a strong carrying case that has space for the screwdriver, all the bits, and the charger as well, making it an ideal option for transportation. There are 2 LED flashlights built in the body of the screwdriver that will reduce the necessity of carrying an extra light in darker places. It is powered by a 3.6V lithium battery that lasts pretty long in a single charge. It has the industry standard 1/4-inch chuck that holds multiple bits included in the package. You can use the screwdriver in both forward and reverse motion for fastening and loosening, respectively. There is a 3-year warranty period from Stalwart that includes free repair and also replacement in certain cases. Selecting the best item from a group of choices is a difficult job. You can easily purchase these products and say bye to all your worries. If you need more information and if you know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.